multiply the two denominators if the denominators are not common, not additive inverses, or not factorable. Cosine B and sine B are not common. Therefore, the common denominator is cosine B times sine B. The first fraction needs to be multiplied by sine B over sine B. So we get sine B times sine B, and then sine B cosine B as the denominator. The second fraction by cosine B. The numerator becomes cosine A cosine B, and the common denominator is cosine B sine B. We're done. Sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta is the common denominator. First fraction needs to be multiplied by 1 plus cosine theta over 1 plus cosine theta. Therefore, the numerator will become 1 plus cosine theta times cosine theta plus the second fraction needs to be multiplied by sine theta to get sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta, and sine theta times sine theta eventually will become sine square theta. So next step will be to distribute. We distribute cosine theta over 1 plus cosine theta plus cosine square theta, and then sine theta times sine theta, sine square theta. We will keep the denominator as sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. The reason? Cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. And if we keep the denominator the way it is, we'll have an opportunity for cancellation. Cosine theta plus 1 over 1 plus cosine theta is 1. Therefore, our final answer is 1 over sine theta, which is cosecant theta. Tangent y is really tangent y over 1. So the common denominator is tan y. So the first one will stay the way it is. We multiply it by 1 over 1. The second one will become tan squared y when we multiply it by tan y over tan y. And 1 plus tan squared y is secant squared y. Therefore, we get secant squared y over tan y. Students need to recall the Pythagorean identity. Now, if one or more of the denominators are factorable, then we need to factor them and find the LCD the same way we do for a rational expression. Now, we need the LCD of 5 tan A secant squared A and 10 tan A secant A. Now, between 5 and 10, the LCD is 10. 10 is 2 times 5. Between 10A and 10A, the LCD is 10A. And between secant squared A and secant A, the LCD is secant squared A, because secant squared A is secant A times secant A. When we look at the first fraction, we need to multiply it by 2 over 2 to get the lowest common denominator. Therefore, we will get 14 sine A. And when we look at the second fraction, we need to multiply it by secant A to get the lowest common denominator. Therefore, the numerator will become 3 sine A secant A. Now we're done. We just have to put them together under the same denominator. 14 sine A plus 3 sine A secant A over 10 A secant squared A.